Solving simultaneous equation by substitution method. Two equations are given to you. X is equal to 10 minus y. 2x plus y is equal to 17. We are solving these two simultaneous equations by substitution method. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Equation 1 is giving you the value of x. X is equal to 10 minus y. Substitute this value of x in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 2x. In place of x, just substitute the value 10 minus y. Plus y is equal to 17. 2 multiplied by 10 is 20, then minus 2y. Plus y minus 17 is equal to 0. From here you can find the value of y. Minus 2y plus y. Solve the like terms. Minus 2y plus y will give you minus y. Because 2 minus 1 is 1 and sign of 2 will come. 2 is having negative sign. 20 minus 17 will give you plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus y is equal to minus 3. Minus and minus can be cancelled from both the sides and y is equal to 3. You found the value of y. Y is equal to 3. Now, from equation number 1, you can find the value of x. This is equation 1. X is equal to 10 minus y. This is equation 1. So substitute the value of y, you can find the value of x. What is the value of y? It is 3. So 10 minus 3 will give you 7. So you are completed with it. X is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. This is the solution set. This is the answer, 7, 3. You are solving by substitution method. So now substitution method is completed. Now we will verify our answer, 7, 3. Let's do verification. Verify 7, 3. X is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. You can start with equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 2x. You can solve by equation 1 also. You can do verification by using equation 1 also. But I'm using equation number 2. 2x plus y is equal to 17. Substitute the value of x. X is equal to 7. What is the value of y? Y is 3. Solve it, you should get 17. The equation should be satisfied. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. And 14 plus 3 is 17. So in this way, the left-hand side and the right-hand side is equal, and the equation is satisfied by this verification method. So 7, 3 is your answer. 7, 3. X is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. Let's see another question of solving simultaneous equations by substitution method. Two x plus 9y is equal to 11. 9x plus 3y is equal to minus 63. We are solving these two simultaneous equations by substitution method. This is not elimination method. Elimination method is on the other video. Okay, so here I'm solving by substitution method. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. How to substitute? From equation 1, you can take out the value of x. 2x plus 9y is equal to 11. We are taking out the value of x. 2x is equal to 11 minus 9y. And x is equal to 11 minus 9y whole divided by 2. This is the value of x. Substitute this value of x in equation number 2 to find out the value of y. So we are substituting this value of x in equation 2. Equation number 2 is 9x plus 3y is equal to minus 63. What is the value of x? X is 11 minus 9y whole divided by 2 plus 3y. Minus 63 will come on this side, it will become plus 63, and 0 is remaining on the right-hand side. We have to solve it, and we can find the value of y from here. So you can solve like this. 9 multiplied by 11 is 99, and 9 nines are 81. 81y whole divided by 2 plus 3y plus 63 is equal to 0. Right? Now you can take LCM. LCM is 2 of these 4 terms. 2 is the LCM. So which values are coming in the numerator? 99 minus 81y. Now 3 should be multiplied by 2. This 3 should be multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6. And this 63 should also be multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12 is equal to 0. Right? Now, solving it further, 2 can be multiplied with 0. Right? 2 can be multiplied with 0. Let's solve it. Two is multiplied with 0. This 2 is multiplied with 0. So it is cancelled, and you can solve the like terms. Over here, you can solve the like terms. Now, minus 81 plus 6 is what? 81 minus 6 is 75, but it should be minus 75. Minus 75. Why? Now you have to add 126 and 99. You have to add them. So 126 plus 99 will give you 225 plus 225 is equal to 0. Because 2 is multiplied with 0, this 2 is multiplied with 0, so you're getting 0 on the right-hand side. Now from here, you can find the value of y. Minus 75y is equal to minus 225. Minus and minus can be cancelled from both the sides. So y is equal to 225 divided by 75. From here you can get the value of y. 225 divided by 75 will give you 3. This is the value of y. Y is equal to 3. Now you have to find the value of x. Right? You can substitute the value of y in any of the equation 1 or equation 2. In this way, you can find the value of x. Y is equal to 3. Let's substitute now. Y is equal to 3. You can use equation number 1. Y is 3. And the right-hand side is 11. You can find the value of x. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. Is equal to 11. Now 27 will come on the right side. It will give you 11 minus 27. One integer is plus, another integer is minus. So you have to do minus. Subtraction of 11 minus 27. It will give you minus 16. Right? So now you can solve it further. X is equal to minus 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 will give you 8, minus 8. This is the value of x. X is equal to minus 8. And value of y, you are finished with it. Y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. This is the value of y, and x is equal to minus 8. So what is the solution set? Solution set is, your answer is minus 8, comma 3. This is your answer. Minus 8, comma 3. Now let's do the last step, verification of minus 8, comma 3. Now we are verifying minus 8, comma 3. X is minus 8 and y is 3. I'm using equation number 2. X is minus 8. You can use any equation. Equation number 1 also can be used for verification. And y is equal to 3. What is the next step? 9 8s are 72. Minus should come. 3 3s are 9. Now you have to find the answer of minus should come. Because one integer is having minus sign, another integer is having plus sign. So you have to do subtraction, and 72 is the bigger integer. So minus, and 72 is having minus sign, so minus should come in the answer. These are called integer rules. 72 minus 9. You have to do subtraction. 72 minus 9 is minus 63. So you should get minus 63. Minus 63 is already there as your right-hand side, so the equation is satisfied. Minus 8, comma 3 is 100% correct answer. You have verified your answer and the equation is satisfied. Thank you so much for attending this session. You can write your comments if any problem is there and you're not understanding, so please write comment and I'm going to reply. Thank you so much.